New to Forex trading? It can be an exciting world full of potential and promise. The Forex market is full of opportunity, a place where fortunes can be made. But beneath the surface, it's also full of rookie mistakes, traps that are waiting to ensnare the unwary. Mistakes that can drain your account faster than you can say margin call before you even realize what happened. Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm here to help you navigate these treacherous waters. Today, I'm breaking down the most common beginner errors in Forex trading, the pitfalls that new traders stumble into time and time again. And most importantly, I'll show you how to dodge them, how to sidestep these common errors and protect your capital so you can start winning big, building a profitable and sustainable trading career. Let's jump right in. Let's get started on the path to Forex success. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. This is the cardinal sin of Forex trading. I see this all the time. People get excited, they hear about the potential for quick profits, jump straight into the charts without any preparation or strategy, and start clicking buy or sell based on a gut feeling, a hunch, or even worse, a random tip they saw online. That's like sailing the ocean without a map, without a compass, without any idea where you're going. Instead, create a solid trading strategy. A well-defined plan is your roadmap to success. Decide what you'll trade, which currency pairs you'll focus on, when you'll enter, what specific criteria will trigger your entry into a trade, and how you'll exit. Know your profit targets and your stop-loss levels before you even enter the trade. Write it down and stick to it, document your plan and refer to it before every trade. No matter what your emotions tell you, don't let fear or greed cloud your judgment. Next up, over-leveraging. This is a very common and very dangerous mistake. The temptation is real. Your broker offers 100, one leverage, or even higher in some cases, promising bigger profits with a small deposit. They make it seem like you can turn a few dollars into a fortune overnight. But here's the catch. Leverage cuts both ways. It's a double-edged sword that can magnify your losses just as easily as it magnifies your gains. Use too much, take on too much risk, and even a tiny market move can wipe you out, leaving you with nothing. Start with low leverage, especially when you're just starting out, and make sure you completely understand your broker's terms, including their margin requirements and how leverage works on their platform, before risking a single dollar. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to leverage. Mistake number 3, ignoring risk management. This is absolutely crucial for long-term success. Risking too much on a single trade, putting all your eggs in one basket is a fast track to blowing your account. It's a recipe for disaster. Trust me, even the best traders lose sometimes. Losing is part of the game. Protect yourself. Implement proper risk management techniques. Use stop-loss orders to automatically limit your potential losses on each trade. And never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. This is a golden rule of risk management. That way, a losing streak won't knock you out of the game. You'll be able to weather the storm and come back stronger. Mistake number 4, chasing losses. This is a very emotional and often destructive behavior. Here's the scenario. You lose a trade, it happens to everyone. Get frustrated, feel the urge to recoup your losses immediately, and jump right back in to win it all back. You double down, increase your risk, and hope for a quick turnaround. That's called revenge trading, and it's driven by emotion, not logic. And it almost always leads to even bigger losses. It's a downward spiral that's hard to escape. Instead, take a step back. Walk away from the computer. Accept the loss, acknowledge that it's part of trading. Review your trade, analyze what happened, and figure out what went wrong. Learn from your mistakes. Every loss is a lesson. Don't let your emotions take over. Keep a cool head and stick to your plan. 5th mistake, following the crowd blindly. This is a dangerous trap for inexperienced traders. Maybe you're on a forum or in a social media trading group, and everyone's hyping up a sure-thing trade. They claim it's a guaranteed winner. It's tempting to follow the herd, to jump on the bandwagon. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There's no such thing as a guaranteed profit in Forex trading. Always do your own analysis. Develop your own trading strategy. Trust your plan, not the crowd. Be an independent thinker. And here's a big one. Neglecting demo trading. This is a huge mistake that many beginners make. Jumping straight into live trading without practice, without any preparation, is like learning to drive on the freeway during rush hour. It's a recipe for disaster. Use a demo account to test your strategies, to refine your approach. Get used to the trading platform, learn how to execute trades efficiently. and build confidence, all without risking real money. It's a safe and effective way to learn the ropes. If you avoid these 6 rookie mistakes, if you take these lessons to heart, you'll already be way ahead of most beginners in the Forex game. You'll be on the path to consistent profitability. Remember, trading isn't about hitting it big overnight. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building skills, developing a solid understanding of the market, protecting your capital, preserving your hard-earned money, and growing steadily over time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this helpful, if you learned something new today, give this video a like, show your support, and subscribe for more Forex tips delivered straight to you. Stay informed and keep learning. And I want to hear from you. I'm curious about your experiences. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts with the community, and share which mistake you've learned the hard way. What challenges have you faced? Or maybe one you've managed to dodge. Share your successes and inspire others. Thanks for watching, I appreciate your time and attention, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!